Before I start the video, I just want to let you guys know that the gaming channel is actually officially up, and as you can see, I have been uploading to it, and I'm going to try to upload to it more. It's basically just going to be a mix of different games. A lot of the BCDOJ RP stuff I don't really do anymore, but if you guys would like me to get back into that, then yes, I'll get back into it, and I would like to get this channel up to a few more subscribers if possible. It's not that you have to do it, but there will be a link in the description below to check out the gaming channel, because I will start uploading to it more. Enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? Searching's Tech Tips. Welcome to another video on my channel. Sorry for the lack of uploads lately. I'm just going to start uploading every Tuesday just so I can keep a constant upload schedule. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio on your computer for Windows 10 in 2021. Now, I have done multiple videos, but I don't know what else to upload, so I just decided to upload this. So the first thing you want to do is go to the link in the description below. It's going to take you to obsproject.com. Go ahead and click the Windows download. It's going to download it down here if you're using Chrome. Now, once it's done, you can go ahead and go to your downloads folder or just click on it. I usually just go to the downloads folder, right-click on it, click Run as Administrator. You don't have to. I just tend to do that. Go ahead and click Yes, click Next, and then it's going to ask you where you want the destination folder to be. I usually just leave it as is, but if you're running out of space, you can go ahead and change that. Go ahead and click Install. And then once this window pops up, go ahead and click Finish. It's going to launch OBS. Now, I usually add it to my taskbar, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I just move it here. Now it's going to ask you to optimize. I'm just going to do cancel because I do it myself. Now I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to add like sources and stuff just because it's easy. I usually go here, right click, rename. This would be for recording because I use a different recording software that I'm using now to record my gaming content. And then I use Streamlabs to stream. Display capture, we're going to do Acer. Done. Click OK. It's going to pop up with here. And then I have that source connected. Now if you have a webcam, you can go ahead, right click, add, and go to video capture device and then click the webcam. Pop here, we can just name this webcam. And then I don't have a webcam plugged in right now, but you can go ahead and do that. Now if you guys would like me to do a full video on how to actually use OBS Studio, I can definitely do so. Another thing I like to do is I like to go here, video, FPS. I changed it to 1920 by 1080 because again, I only use this for recording my tech videos. I usually leave the video bitrate at 2500 just because that's all you really need. And I do change this to MP4. Now I could do MKV and then remix the recording, but it's just easier if it's MP4. But yeah, guys, that's how you install OBS Studio on your computer for Windows 10 in 2021. I'm sorry for the short video, but I'm running out of video ideas, so if you guys could give me some videos in the comments below, some video ideas in the comments below, it would be very well appreciated. If you guys would like to see more videos on OBS Studio, maybe I can do a tutorial on how to get like the best FPS and stuff like that I could do. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I'll see you guys next video. Like the video if you liked it, dislike the video if you thought it sucked. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.